Hi, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I am so excited to show you this absolutely gorgeous home nestled among mature oak trees on just under an acre. This beautiful home is located in Nature's Way subdivision. It's a serene, peaceful, gated community right here in Pearl River. This home has so much curb appeal, and it even has a detached workshop with a large bonus space above it. There is so much to see inside. Let's go on in and begin the tour. As you step into the house, the first thing that you'll notice is this absolutely beautiful 8-foot leaded glass entry door. Talk about make a statement. Now it leads us right into the cozy foyer that has a step ceiling detail with crown molding, just a lovely entrance. Now we walk on into this open floor plan. It's so spacious here. We're walking right past the formal dining, plenty of room there, and open to this chef's delight kitchen. This kitchen is such a great place to prepare and to serve. There's counter space all the way around. Now, one of my favorite things about this kitchen is this double oven. It's actually a full-size double oven, which I don't see very often. Now, moving on to this side of the kitchen, we've got this gas cooktop, and it's so wonderfully placed, and it's great for serving at the breakfast bar. Now, also, there's additional seating here. We've got room for 3 or even 4 at the breakfast bar, and then we move on into the breakfast area, which gives us additional room. You could actually fit another table here for 6 people. All right. Because this is an open floor plan, we step right into this very spacious living room. Now the ceilings throughout this area are all 10 foot, but we have a step ceiling in the living room that gives us 11-foot ceilings. Talk about a spacious feel. So plenty of room for seating and entertaining here. And then we have this gorgeous double-sided fireplace, which is so wonderful because this is your focal point as you walk through that beautiful leaded glass door. Right here on the other side of this fireplace is a nice seating area. This could even be another little office space, just a seating nook, or any other additional space that you would need this for. It's just lovely. And look at the view outside of those windows. All right, there's still so much more to see. One of the wonderful features about this home is the split floor plan. So as I walk to the front of the house, we have 2 bedrooms and this lovely shared bath here. This room has lots of space, lots of cabinets here for your linens, and then also this adorable pocket door leads to a private shower area. Now, another thing that I think is really, really nice is that there is also this extra door that offers access only to this bedroom, which is also very nice. Now, this room has lots of space, so there's room for plenty of furniture in here. But here is my favorite thing. So, look at this closet. This is absolutely huge. So not many times you see a closet this size in an extra bedroom. All right, on to bedroom 2. On our way to bedroom 2, though, I just wanted to point out this nice little linen closet right here at the end of the hallway. Even more space for your things. Now, this bedroom is a great size as well. As you can see, this is a queen size bed and still lots of room for additional furniture. And of course, the high ceilings throughout this house really help the spacious feel of it. Now, this room also has a wonderful closet. I mean, what a surprise to have this kind of closet space in these bedrooms. All right, let's go check out that primary suite. At the back of the house is the primary suite, and I love the location of this room because it's looking onto the backyard, which is such a serene and peaceful area. We've got 2 beautiful windows, and then also it has its own private entry door that leads right on to the patio. We also have this octagon step ceiling that has this gorgeous crown molding detail, and this room is very large, so room for all of your furnishings. Let's take a look at the ensuite. This room has such a beautiful setup. So I love that when you come right through these double doors, you're met with the view of a corner tub. And then they have these really large expansive vanities on each side. So the vanities are separated and each person has so much of their own space. How wonderful is that? Then we have a private water closet, and each side has its own very large closet. That is one of my favorite things about this room. Now, not only do we have this large corner soaking tub, but we've also got a very nice size shower right here behind me. There is so much to love in this suite, but still so much more to see. We're about to head up these stairs, but before we do, there's just a little bit more to see downstairs. Now, right here to my right is the single car attached garage, and that is in addition to that amazing huge workshop at the back of the property, which we're going to see in just a minute. Then we come to the powder room. This is an adorable space and it's conveniently located, just perfect for your guests. But now we are walking into the laundry room that dreams are made of. Look at the size of this space. It's just amazing. So this is the side patio right here. You walk right on in to this mudroom cabinet, you set your things down and walk right on into the home. How convenient is that? And then you've got this great cabinet and countertop area, great for storing all your things, folding clothes, and then right across from it is your washer and dryer. And then to top it off, there's even a mop sink in this room. What's not to love? All right, let's go on upstairs. Upstairs is a large bonus room, and I tell you what, this room just tops off this floor plan. Not only is it really big, but it's overlooking that beautiful backyard. Talk about a view. Now, this room could be used for so many things. So currently, it could be used as a media room, a playroom, a game room, or even an office, because there's so much privacy up here. It has a closet right through that door behind me, and then that is your walk-in attic space. And what an attic it is. It's huge there. Now, the way the plumbing is set up in this home, it would be very easy to add a bathroom up there, and this could become a suite, which would be even better. All right, there's still that outside workshop with a bonus room above. Still lots more to see. Coming off the back of the house is this wonderful covered patio. This space was just made for entertaining. We have the ceiling fan and the speakers, and we even have the gas hookup for your grill. And then of course, what a lovely view with all the trees. It's absolutely beautiful and so peaceful back here. Now, the last thing we're going to go take a look at is this wonderful detached workshop, which has a huge bonus room on top and a half bath. Let's go look at that now. We are now in the detached workshop. I love this space so much. It has really high ceilings. There are so many possibilities for this space. Of course, workshop is great. That's what it has been used for. But because it has this sink area, it just opens up so many possibilities. And it even has this lovely half bath right here. Now, as we step around, you can see there's even an upstairs to this. And then there's this nice little nook area right here. Again, so many possibilities. All right, let's go upstairs and check it out. We are heading into the space above the workshop, and I love this room for so many reasons. First of all, it's absolutely huge, and I really like the shape of the ceilings. It's really charming in here. It's light, bright, and airy, and there are endless possibilities for this room. It could be a great workout space. It could be a private office. How wonderful is that? And each unit upstairs and downstairs has its own mini split AC for your comfort. This house is amazing. It has possibilities all throughout the entire property. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.